welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of solving systems of equations. This is standard A.5C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 49 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a mail carrier delivering mail on two different routes. We've got the morning route and we've got the afternoon route. And we're looking for the distance of the morning route in miles. Okay? So let's see what our two clues give us. Last month the mail carrier delivered mail on the morning route 16 times, afternoon route 12 times, total distance. All right, we need to assign variables here. So the morning route, it's the distance is unknown. That's what we're looking for. Let's call that M. Afternoon route, we're not looking for, but it's also unknown. It's A. Okay, so let's see. Morning route for this first clue is 16 times. So that's going to be 16 times M, whatever the distance is for the morning route, which is what we're looking for. And then on the afternoon route, 12 times, so 12A, for a total of, that's why we're doing the plus, 141. All right, so we could do the same thing for the second clue. Morning route 10 times, so that's 10M. And that's 15A, 123.75. All right, so what we have here is a system of equations, because we've got two different equations. They're both using M and A. So I'm going to use elimination. I want to add these two equations together, and I want to eliminate one of our variables. And since I'm looking for, let's see, I'm looking for M, but you know what? M is going to be a little bit easier to eliminate. So watch what happens if I multiply. I'll just have to find A and then plug it back in, right? If I multiply both of those by 5, right, I have to distribute this out. That's going to get me 80M plus 60A equals, and then the 141 times 5, 705. Now I'm going to multiply both of these by, it's going to seem strange, but just work with me here, negative 8. Because I want to get rid of this M here, just because I know 16 and 10, they can both be turned into a multiple of 10. So now, watch this, I'm going to get negative 80M minus 15 times 8, that's going to be negative 120A equals, now I got to do this 123.75 times negative 8, that's going to be negative 990. Okay, so now I can add these two equations, 80M minus 80M, because I was looking for to try to get both of those. I could have done 12 and 15, but I could kind of visually see the 16 and 10 a little bit easier. So that gets rid of M, which we'll get it back in a little bit. I've got negative 60A equals, and then I've got this 705 minus the 990. Okay, 285. It's actually a negative 285, so I just divide both sides by negative 60. And what am I going to get? Let's see, divided by negative 60 is 4.75. All right, so A is 4.75. So I'm not looking for M, looking for M, but all I got to do is plug that back in. Let's just plug that in to the first one. 16M plus 12 times 4.75 equals 141. Okay, so 12 times 4.75 is going to give me 57. So 16M plus 57 equals 141. So let's subtract 157 from both sides, right? We're going to get 16M equals 84. Divide both sides by 16. And we get our M equals 5.25. And our answer is sitting right there, A, 5.25 or 5 and 2,500 miles.